Hello, my good traders. In this video, we are going to talk about how to calculate pips on BTC, Bitcoin. I have already done a video on how to calculate pips on currencies. I have also done a video on how to calculate pips on gold. This video is going to be on how to calculate pips on BTC. Gold is a commodity. BTC is a cryptocurrency. And then the currency world too, we have the currencies. So we have tackled currencies. We've also tackled a commodity, which is gold, and we want to tackle a cryptocurrency called BTC. So let's look at the price of BTC and use that for our calculation. All right. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, because we have a lot of videos and more coming. Take your time. If you're already here on this channel, Leading Forex, take your time and watch our videos step by step. Don't worry if the videos are many. Knowledge is very important. It took me 3 years to learn Forex and to also learn other things. I haven't even finished learning. It took me 3 years, from 2017 to somewhere 2020, before I started seeing profit in the Forex market and then other markets. So please, if you want to really take your time and learn this, you are lucky. Now the information is out there. A lot of information is on YouTube and some blogs and stuff. So it's easy for you to grab. During our time in 2017, you do not get information from the public just like that. So that is how come it took us a long time to start seeing the profits. But thank God, the information has become available and it's very many out there. So just take your time and read and learn and watch. It's not about being quick or you want it fast. No, take your time and learn, and it will help you. So BTC, let's look at BTC. I want to share my whiteboard with you, and then we can quickly look at how we can calculate pips on BTC. The board is loading quickly. Now, the current price of BTC is around 69,000. 69,376. Yes, that is the price I am going to use. 69,000. 69,000, is it 200 or 300? 376 points. I'm just quoting it from my MT48. Okay, so let me write it down this way. This is BTC, 69,376.538. So let's go on with BTC. How do we calculate the pips for BTC? Assuming you decided to buy or sell BTC at this price, how do you calculate the pips? Now, in the currency calculation and then that of gold, we talked about how the pips have been arranged. We have the pip as in ones, the pip as in tens, the pip as in hundreds, the pip as in thousands, and then the pip as in 10,000s. It's going to be the same thing here. So this is going to be the pip as in ones, the 6 over here. The 7 is going to be the pip as in what? Tens. The 3 is going to be the pip as in hundreds. The 9 is going to be the pip as in thousands. And then the 6 here is going to be the pip as in 10,000s. So when it comes to BTC, the pipette is the first digit after the point. That is the pipette. The first digit after the point is the pipette. Is this clear? The first digit after the point is the pipette. And you already know what is the pipette. That is in seconds. If you are equating it to a watch, that's going to be like the seconds. That's the minor base unit of, or the least unit of calculating currencies and then commodities. So that is the pipette over here. So your pip as in ones is the 6, tens is 7, 100 is what? 3, thousands is the 9, and then the 10,000 is the 6. So if you are looking for BTC, maybe 100 pips, you may just have to add 100 to this. Sorry, I think you may just have to add 100 here. The first 0 will be under the 6, the second 0 will be under the 7, then the 1 will be under the 3. That is 100. Then you do your calculation. If you are buying BTC, you add. Okay? So I'm not going to elaborate or take much time on this because I have already explained in the other videos, the gold calculation and then the currency calculation. So here will be 8, 3, 5.6, 7, and then 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 4, and then the 9, since there's nothing under it, this 9 and 6 will come. So the price for 100 pips is going to be this. This will become your TP for 100 pips if you are buying gold. So easy. Now, sorry, BTC, not gold, BTC. So BTC is a currency, or sorry, a cryptocurrency. These terminologies, I need to be very careful. BTC is a cryptocurrency that moves a lot. It moves a lot. BTC can move over 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 pips within some few hours. So mostly if you are trading BTC, I will recommend that you don't target 100. Target more than 100. Maybe 500 pips, 1,000 pips, 1,500 pips, 2,000 pips and the rest. Because if you are targeting 20 pips, 50 pips, it's too small. The way BTC moves, those 20 whatsoever is too small. So if you are going to be trading BTC, you may have to increase your take profit and then increase your stop loss. So once you are going to be increasing your stop loss and take profit, then you need to be careful with your lot size. Because if you put in a big lot size, you are going to lose more because you have increased your take profit and your stop loss. So make sure that BTC, when you are trading it, you come with the least lot size, or you go in with the least lot size. Okay. But if you are going to be targeting 100 pips, 200, 300, 500, and the rest, just go for the smallest lot size and then trade BTC. All right. So this is how you can easily calculate BTC. Now that I have told you where the pip starts from, I'm sure this will become easy for you to easily do the calculation based on the other videos that I have done. Okay. All you need is to know where the pip as in 1 begins. The pip as in tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So since you know this, it becomes easy for you to do that. So if you haven't watched the video on how to calculate currencies, the pips in currencies, or how to calculate pips in gold, go and watch those videos and they will help you to easily calculate this take profit and stop loss on cryptocurrencies such as BTC. Is that okay? Now, let me also say this whilst I end this video. It's very important. Let me talk about this for us all to hear. When it comes to BTC or cryptocurrencies, it is one of the currencies or the cryptocurrencies that do not close, if I'll put it. The cryptocurrency market do not close. Those of you who trade commodities like gold, oil, palladium, and the rest, they close for a new day to open. Those of you who trade the currency market, the currency pairs, the market also opens on Sundays, and then that's in my time in Ghana here, it opens on Sundays and then closes on Fridays. Okay, it has a closing time and also has an opening time. That is the currencies. So the currency world, the commodity world, and also those of you who are into stocks, the stock market too has an opening and then a close. But BTC, Bitcoin, and the other cryptocurrencies has no closing and then opening. It is always on. So even if you want to trade the crypto market during weekends, you can trade it. If you want to trade the crypto market during weekends, you can trade it. The reason is because it is decentralized. It is not under any centralized system that has a server somewhere that will want to close and open. BTC is a decentralized or cryptocurrency is a decentralized kind of technology. So because of that, it is always running 24/7 and every day. It has no closing day. So BTC, you can trade it during weekends. There are brokers that offer BTC codes that you can trade just as you trade the Forex market. Yes. So if you want such brokers, one of them is XNES. And I'm an IB holder with XNES. If you want the link for XNES, just go to the description of this video. You'll get the link to my XNES this thing, and then you register. So if you want to register using my referral link, XNES is there. XNES, they have cryptos that they provide just as they provide currencies. And you can trade those cryptos any day, anytime. Even during weekends, you can trade the crypto market. DERIV is also another broker that offers cryptos for you to trade even during weekends. So crypto, if you want to trade crypto like the way you trade currencies, you can also register through DERIV or DERIV. The broker link is also there. Now, when you go to the description of my videos, I have listed the brokers. Broker 1, 2, 3, up to 5. Broker 1, 2, 3, up to 5, they all have the cryptocurrencies that you can trade just as you trade the Forex market. So Blueberry Markets, you go to the description of the video, you see and register through them. You get the cryptocurrencies to trade. TICKMILL. TICKMILL, when you go there, those of you in Europe, you can use Blueberry or TICKMILL. If you are in Europe, use TICKMILL or Blueberry. And you can also use AVATRADE. And if you're in Africa, and then any other part of maybe Euro, some part, not all, you can use DERIV or XNES. XNES and DERIV are not available for some of you in Europe. But if you want a broker that is available for you, the ones in Europe, then you may have to use Blueberry Market, TICKMILL, AVATRADE, and then a few others. When you go to the description of my videos, all my videos, you will see the description, you will see the links to any broker that you want. Those are my recommended brokers. If you want me to recommend a broker for you, I have put them at the description of my videos. So you can register through any of them. If you're in Europe, I have brokers that you can use in Europe. If you are in Africa, I have brokers that you can use in Africa. Just go to the description there and then register through any of the brokers, okay? Now, to end, if you want to trade crypto just as we trade the Forex market, but the advantage is that the crypto market has no closing day. Weekends, the market is still on, so you can still trade even during weekends. The Forex market, you can't trade during weekends, okay? So you can take advantage of the two and then begin to make money from all angles. Is that okay? But I have begun a crypto series of in terms of videos that I am doing to explain what the crypto market is all about. So we will continue from that playlist, the crypto playlist. So we'll continue from there, and then you get details about what the crypto market is all about and how you can choose to trade it like the way you trade Forex, or you can buy and hold for a long-term purpose, or so many other opportunities. You can mine it if you have the machines. You can mine it if you have the machines. Don't allow somebody to tell you that you can mine crypto by just logging onto a website. You cannot mine. Those are scams. Don't join any platform that they say, sign up with this platform and mine crypto and make profit, make huge profits in a day. No, you cannot mine crypto by signing up to any website. If you want to mine the cryptocurrencies, you have to get some set of equipment. And mining, it simply means that you want to make your computer as a server, okay? You want your computer to become a server for crypto. That is what the mining is. So if you do not have a computer and the necessary machines that will allow you to set that computer aside, the computer will just be somewhere, and then it will be there and serve as a server. You know, I told you cryptocurrency is a decentralized kind of technology. So a lot of computers have come together to form the server. So when one computer goes off, there are others that are on, holding the servers on. So if you want to also add a computer to the servers, to add another computer to the servers, there are currently about 15,000 servers across the world, about 15,000 servers, 15,000 computers that are serving as servers for crypto. New ones are being introduced on a daily basis. So if you want to set up a PC in your room or in your office, that will become a server for the crypto market, where you can be paid for hosting the crypto server or hosting the crypto network as a server on your computer. You will have to get a computer. You would also have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. You also have to make sure that you have a stable electricity. So you see these things. It doesn't just come just like that. Mining the cryptocurrency is not easy, or hosting the cryptocurrency server on your computer is not just easy as it is. A lot of people come with websites. The pyramid, those who scam us, they come up with websites and then Ponzi schemes telling you you can mine this currency, you can mine this Bitcoin, you can mine this cryptocurrency and make huge money. Please, you can't mine through a website. You cannot mine cryptocurrencies through a website. So don't let someone deceive you. Don't let someone deceive you. You need equipment. If you think I'm lying, Google it. How to mine cryptocurrencies, or equipment needed to mine cryptocurrency. Search for it. You'll see it. Or just Google equipment to host the servers of cryptocurrency, or equipment needed to host cryptocurrency as a server. Just type. There are so many options you can type. Just Google and see things for yourself. So you can't just mine a cryptocurrency just like that. Some will come with a lot of websites. We are mining BTC. We are mining BTC. Come and mine. No. You can't mine BTC through a website. You need to get the equipment. So you need to get a stable electricity. You need to get a stable internet connectivity, because your computer is turned or is serving as a server. So you need to get a stable electricity, stable internet connectivity, and also your gadget must be up to speed in terms of its spec. The spec of your computer must be top notch so that it can accept the updates that comes on the blockchain technology every minute, every second. So if your computer is not up to that spec, that can be able to hold on to the updates that are being done every minute, every second, because every minute, every second, people are transacting. People are buying and selling crypto, and the technology updates all those transactions. So if your PC is not up to date and it is not a high standard computer, you may lag behind and your computer may not be able to serve. And if it is not able to serve as a server, you may be wasting electricity, wasting internet, and may not be earning anything out of it, because those who host it, they get commission out of it. Okay, so it is very expensive to host a server of blockchain technology. Is not easy, but the available ones for you and I who do not have maybe the current machines and equipments to do that may either have to buy and hold the cryptocurrencies, or maybe trade the cryptocurrencies like we trade the Forex market, and then some other ways, a few other ways. I will continue with the crypto series, and I'm sure some of these things will be answered. All right. So we have just talked about how you can calculate BTC Pips. Make sure you take advantage of that. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more videos. More videos are coming. I'll share them with you as we go along.